Hi guys, welcome to Ls460L Lexus 2017 model. So I want to show you guys how to reset oil life. That is maintenance requires, oil maintenance requires. So I want to show you guys how to reset it now. So you first of all come here, see the trip and reset. Like for example, now you press this trip now for the dashboard, go see the display. Okay, once you get to the A, press it down, hold it down here, reset. Once you go to the B, come to the reset, hold it down and see that is reset. So hold it down. So now I want to show you guys now. Once you get to the A, we'll go off the car. Try to off the car.
So press the reset button down, hold it down and on ignition. So see, resetting maintenance data is counting. Once it's load finish, you go write complete.
Resetting maintenance data complete. You can see. And check. So that one is clear now. Come here, go to the menu here. You see the menu, press the menu. We're gonna need to set the screen on because you get the screen. So you go to the status. When you get to the status, select to vehicle. You can see maintenance at top. The maintenance you can see. Once the engine oil show red and oil filter show red, that means it's due for service. You come here. You see before is. So once you get to here now, you can see. Let us give them like 8 more. Like now, today's date is, we are in November now. This month of November 2025. Okay, let us do the service March 2026. So let us put it the mile for 9,000 miles. 9,000 miles, may not even 10,000. Okay, you see I turned to the green. So that one is resetting. Let us go to service and do it like that again. This one before they set it, the due service is 3/14/2025, which is past. Okay, let us just give and 6 from that the same March. This one too, 9,000. Let us give it 9,000. 1, 2, 3. 9,000 miles. 14 the same, like the same day. Two, 14, 26. Okay. Let's see, everything is set now. It's open on this. Let us go back. Go back here. In the map. So on ignition and see if the maintenance require is to display. Hood open, that's bonnet, and front left door open, yes. There you go. So there's no message again. So maintenance require is set. It's okay now. It's resetting. So thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, J Auto Fix It. You can see my sticker. Don't forget to post sticker for the next service. You can see J Auto Fix It. That's my number. Like if you want to do home service, let me know. For your car. Thank you. I see.
Cái quan này, giờ anh đang mặc cái bịch kia,